raindrops too. Little plants are peeking through. It's a sunny garden weekend day. Put on boots, let's run and play. Grab a shovel, rake the ground. Plant tiny seeds all around. Dig, dig, pat it down. Sprinkle water all around. Sunshine bright, raindrops too. Little plants are peeking through. Tomatoes red and carrots sweet. Green little sprouts at our feet. Butterflies come flutter by, waving hello as they fly. Dig, dig, pat it down. Sprinkle water all around. Grow, grow, big and tall. Garden weekend fun for all. Snip, snip, veggies in a row. Watch our happy garden grow. Way.
Superkid to the rescue! There's a kid in the neighborhood, flying high, doing good, with a cape that's red and blue. Superkid, we love you! Superkid, oh Superkid, saving the day just like you did. Leaping high, running fast. Superkid, you're a blast! Brave and true, helping friends and saving you. With a smile from ear to ear, Superkid is always near. Superkid, oh Superkid, stopping trouble where it hid. Zooming by, never late. Superkid, you're so great. When there's trouble in the air, Superkid is always there, with a cheer and a helping hand. Superkid will make us stand. So shout it loud, sing it clear. Superkid, we know you're here. Flying high, doing good. Superkid in every neighborhood. In a little town there lives a boy, full of courage, strength, and joy. With a shield so bright, he stands so tall. Captain Kid is here for all. Captain Kid with a heart so true, fighting for justice for me and you. With his red, white, and blue, he leads the way. Captain Kid is saving the day. Never backs down, helping others all around town. With a mighty throw, his shield will fly. Captain Kid is soaring high in the sky. Captain Kid with a heart so true, fighting for justice for me and you. With his red, white, and blue, he leads the way. Captain Kid is saving the day. When things are tough and skies are gray, Captain Kid is on his way. Brave
TV Keto.